Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix video call problem on Messenger. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Messenger account. We can do so by going into our App Store and check if we do have an updated application. So just like for example, we have here, I'm going to type in Messenger and we will just be waiting for this one to load. So basically, if the notion here is installed, that means that we need to update our application. So we're just going to update this. So I'm just going to hit install then, and we will just be waiting for this one to be completely installed. So once everything is updated, we can now proceed to the next method in order for us to resolve the problem in terms of video call. So we can go ahead to our mobile settings, and we are just going to scroll down then and look for apps. So once you are here, we're going to click again apps, and we are just going to scroll down and we are going to look for Messenger. So we're just be waiting, and there you have it. We have here Messenger. So once you are here, we can go ahead and click clear cache. And no worries, because there will be no file or data that will be deleted on your account. So the third method would be going into our mobile settings and once again to apps. And we are going to go back and look for Messenger. So just like for example here, there you have it, Messenger. And we're going to click permissions. So we need to make sure that we allowed our microphone, our camera, so that we can have a smooth flow in terms of having a video call on Messenger. If ever the problem is still there, you can go ahead and uninstall your account. And right after that, you can reinstall and check if you do have the updated version of the Messenger and if you do have a smooth way of having a video call on your account. So technically, that's how we are going to fix video call problem on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next one.